Hello guys, welcome to Xposed GH. If today is your first time of tuning into our channel, you know what to do. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, when we talk about teenage pregnancy, we all know what causes teenage pregnancy. We all know the factors that contribute to teenage pregnancy, from broken homes, poverty, peer pressures. Listen, there doors, it's a lot. The list is so long. Okay, and there's one thing I want to say before I talk about today's issue. Okay, we have single parents, okay, that brought up good children. And so sometimes when we say broken homes, it is not all broken homes. Okay, we have single parents. School, a prominent person. So when we talk about broken homes, it is not all. Okay, it has not put all of them together. Some broken homes causes it, not all broken homes. Okay, so guys, a 15-year-old child, okay, girl, has given birth, and this is all because her mother has been giving her 2 cedis to go to school. 2 cedis to go to school with, and she said the 2 cedis is not enough. So her classmates, Bema on in the class, they be a man 1 cedi. Into one cedi or the 2 susu. So susu no boy yakapo de minim or yes susu. So this girl came on Oyerepa, okay, Oyerepa FM on Ante Naa show, and to say she wants to see her real mother because she has not seen the woman that has given birth to her.
Man, but now me go school now. Me 2 cedis. And I say classes. But I do me 1 cedi for classes. And now, boy, never miss count. Man, patcho, and it's not.
Ozia, Oko school. Now your mouth 2 cedi. 2 cedi. I was say. I was on my bama. I only need to know share them. I be found my them. Imanoi, Oko school. Your mouth 2 cedi. And so won't it. I was a bama be found. I want my medal. Mentio.
Man, patcho,
Aden, then kuna, Abemua no tea only next class. Or no, yes, going on your juma, yes, going. I don't tell my mouth 2 cedi in so. Abemua no soon ya jumano. Or no, yes, going on the mount.
Patcho, scala or mamma no palibmon.
I'm not telling my man say.
Patch anyone country.
And to we a who say, Nima Missika, out the man or the bro, and that's what could we ask of you know the bro.
Patch one country.
Son of the mount.
Boy, Mamma 1 cedi.
Oh, my mouth 2 cedi. Who says, 1 cedi, dear, as son say, my own quina bemanona. Mamma say,
Ma,
may say, oh, my mouth 2 cedi. Who says, oh, boy, never say.
so friend Bernard.
Bernard, ma 1 cedi. O say a song bomb. Tell the mama the mount. Yano.
Man, patcho, David.
50 years, Mamma do not say no offer.
Patcho, no one.
Oh, venture and Emress or Biama 1 cedi. Now what on suffering one mammy them saw me found. Then come on only a bemu and Bernard, D was school and sana. Oba, mammy them, Sabra now, mammy away. Now fear for way.
Patcho, no mamma could ya, and I am not being so quiet. You might end up being niffy, the white.
Until
Patcho, not me mamma call it ya. No being so niffy. Tiana, you might feel white.
I dream Mabba Bernard Bebefiano. Come over and Amudi and Sana Bernard Eba. And Uncle Bernard to Bernard and Sana Bernard in Yaku could drop Befa warm me there.
Man, Patcho, I said, or Baby, she baby, I might say. Patcho, Sana catch her.
No one said in what you to also say, not say.
Patcho, then you the piano out the mammy.
Now what you to also say, and Bernard is or Beba. Umamia 2 cedi, Bernard the Mao 1 cedi. And yes, Buma said Bernard no one. Can no agent Predo say?
Patcho, near doors.
A dozen over 2 cedi, I will say so. I didn't say so.
Man, Patcho, near
I know so. I'm in Tonga.
classes. The Abadia 1 cedi. And I'm the one sitting so outside. Everyone's I'm the one sitting not to say, be a me baby and kamato.
Amount 2 cedi efra no pako si brebe.
Tell my
So just imagine this. Your mother gives you 2 cedis to go to school. And Anna was sitting 2 cedis in and so winty. Or classmates ma 1 cedi. Do you know where he gets the 1 cedi from? Do you know whether he steals that 1 cedi or say the chop money I am with the man with you? Into a do or no browse 1 cedi. You are happy with the 1 cedi that he gives you. And the 2 cedis that your mother gives you are not happy with it. At least, you know, one thing I'm happy about this particular issue is at least they did not throw her out of the house. They did not throw her out. And yes, who did he? Into a damn pot in a baba with Timama Kase, Bema and no da. Damn pot in a baba with Timsa. And I'm saying this, listen, we don't have kids again. Yenin Kwalabian or Sa country, my woman. No. We don't have kids. What a 15-year-old, 16, 17-year-old girl can do, a 30-year-old woman cannot even think of doing it. She can't. In some say ye ni nkwala bio, ye ni nkwala empenyisem dose wo mo ho, empenyisem no dose is too much. And teenage pregnancy kwa na ekosoro. At the end of the day, you cannot take care of that child. And what will happen? You will go and dump the child somewhere. You will go and dump the child somewhere. Some obukabes have a pillow, no the mi akwala aden such wickedness. Who sent you? Why na suma usekwana kwanyum? And yes, akwala 15 years. When we classmates. Now classmates say wa no then akwala bet me ayamo. What at all can he do for you? He can't do anything. Just like what the auntie say, auntie say, oh we and yesterday, oh who akwala, oh who be akwala no crapon. She should stay in the house. She should be in the house. Yes, they are more treating her. Yes, they are treating her badly and all that. But at least she's not sleeping outside. At least they are not starving her. At the end of the day, sometimes you will sit somewhere. No one can say the way they are treating her is not good. Yes, it is not good. But at least she has somewhere to sleep. She wakes up, she know that, oh, I have my dad's sister here that will help me out. And I prayed that her mother would see the child. Me bon pai say, ni mama be hu ni ba no TV so, no hu ni ba no mobo. Hu ba no mobo na bra, na be hwe wo ba no nama. Because we need more parents like this. The harm has already been caused. The harm, what can come. It has happened. It has come. Since you allowed her to give birth to Lydia, they should be able to take care of the child. Yes, it is not easy. Because Onuka will only be. If they were having it, they would not be giving you 2 cedis to take it to school. And obviously, I said, this wouldn't have happened. But it has happened. What can they do? Throw her away? Throw them away? No, they cannot do that. I think it's high time parents start teaching their kids how to appreciate the little things they give them. Right from infancy. Because our kola would it na and ya dear say a kid crap in the best source, she or he would appreciate whatever that you do for him. Because on himself, me mami will be a meyamo. Like this topic is so broad and besa me kasa me kasama. I will talk sami wieda. Okay, me kasa sami wieda. Like I said, I hope ni mami a wo wu na we jan ho akon obehu ni mobo no aba no abehwe ne ba. Because right now the child needs her. Because a 15 years old then over to me, she can't do anything. She can't do anything. On true baby and poye ugusu ya kwala. In shushenim say be man say person bra be hu baby out. On bra be hu baby out in e ban sen no ko hwie upantumu. Ebana say, what? How did it happen? That is why I said this topic is a broad topic. Okay, it's so broad that I don't even want to go into deep. Like I said, I hope the mother will come and take her child and take on the banning and nana nina no show. Now the harm has already been done. There's nothing that they can do again. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. You know what? It's your girl SI3pt, and don't forget to subscribe. That one is important. Subscribe in my what say. Follow us on all social media handles. Xposed GH. I'll be back same time. Bye bye.